It's been raining electric cars for some time now in India. Now, India's number one premium car maker Mercedes-Benz is all set to get its electric SUV into the bandwagon with the EQC. In terms of exteriors, the EQC 400, as the name suggests, is based on the Mercedes GLC SUV. The EQC also shares the wheelbase dimensions with the GLC. The similarities end there. The EQC stands at 4762 mm in length with an overall width of 1884 mm and has an overall height of 1623 mm. The overall wheelbase for the EV stands at 2873 mm. The EQC weighs 2495 kilos, which includes 650 kgs of weight of the lithium battery. At first look, the EQC screams out its Mercedes-Benz lineage, with the bold 3.8 star placed on the glossy black base on the wide and large front grille. The face comes with a 7 horizontally chromed slatted grille with a thick chrome band running around it. The headlight is neatly flushed into the rounded bulbous styling. These sleek looking headlights get a C-shaped LED DRL strip along with a unique styled blue fins depicting its electrical heart. These headlights also get multi-beam LED dynamic type units in them. There is a thick glossy black band that runs across the bumper mating the headlights. The front bumper comes with a large air dam with 2 chrome strips running horizontally along with aerodynamic inserts placed on them. The side profile looks clean and very sleek, also because it's an EV and has to have best of aerodynamics. You have a long sloping roofline, large fenders with EQC branding inserts on them, sharp character lines running across the lower section of the doors and a tough looking metal stepboard adding to the SUV character for the sides. The door also gets quarter glass, while the C-pillar also gets a fixed angular shaped quarter glass on it. The EQC also gets premium looking chrome beltline running around the windows and blacked out pillars. The wing mirrors get glossy black housing which adds to the sportiness on the sides. These wing mirrors also get a unique blind spot assist feature that work flawlessly. The EQC drives on 235/50 R20 spec tires that are mounted on special petal shaped alloys with blue inserts on them, stating that this is an electric vehicle. The rear profile is pretty interesting on the EQC, majorly due to the sleek flushed LED taillights that start from both the sides and run across the entire width of the boot lid. The smooth rounded boot lid also gets a body colored spoiler with glossy black winglets placed on either ends, adding to the aerodynamic for the rear end. The rear bumper is in dual tone finish with the lower section in matte black. This bumper gets neat chrome inserts running across the width of it. You also have slim stop reflectors placed on the rear bumper just next to the license plate. The Mercedes logo placed on the boot lid tilts when the 360-degree camera is active, as it houses the rear view camera under it. So right now we are behind the wheels of the EQC. First things first, you have a very comfortable sitting position. The driver's view is like a perfect SUV. Coming to the interiors, we have a very well appointed trademark Mercedes-Benz cabin. Everything is very well laid out. The comfort level is very high. The ergonomics is very good. You have this soft touch material everywhere. You have ambient lighting, industrial design, this soft gold inserts around the AC vents is what I love. I like. The steering feels very comfortable to grip. You have this leather wrapping around, leather stitching around, very well laid out MFD buttons. Everything feels very comfortable and very premium. Coming to the instrument cluster, you have an all color LCD display. You have the single block styling like with all Mercedes, all the recent Mercedes, the latest Mercedes. You have the infotainment system and the all digital instrument cluster. Very crisp, very clear. The EQC can be charged in 3 different ways. The first being the fastest.
which takes around 40 minutes. This is the DC fast charger. Then you have the AC wall charger, which takes around 8 to 12 hours. And then you have the slowest but the most helpful for the last mile. You get the onboard charger, which can be plugged into your 15 amp socket. This one takes around 21 hours. The EQC is a lithium battery. This lithium battery is made up of 384 cells. It has 80 kilowatt of power and weighs 650 kilos. Now what powers the wheels of the EQC are two asynchronous motors which gets the power from the lithium battery. These motors make around 300 kilowatt of power, which is in simpler words, in simpler terms, there's around 402 HP, which is again supercar territory. And listen to this, the torque figure on this EQC is around 760 Nm. First thing that comes to your mind is the silence, the total silence that the car, there is no noise, there is no engine. First of all, you have the motors, so you have to push start the car, and there is no rev, there is no engine noise coming, so you don't know the car is on or no. But then you have the display coming up, and then it takes around 5 odd minutes to get used to it. Being an electric car, there is loads of torque, and the torque comes in from the word go. You just press down the throttle, and here you go. Now the interesting bit on the steering are these paddle shifters. On the conventional engine, on a combustion engine, you have the paddle shifters to shift through the gears, first, second, third, fourth, and downshift, minus. That's how it works on a traditional engine. But on here, this being an electric car, a single speed electric motor running it, the paddle shifters have been utilized for engine braking and engine power. For example, now I am driving in the regular mode. I press the minus, the downshift on the paddle. This is, it gets, it goes into D minus minus minus, that is engine braking. So I am trying to accelerate, it is not accelerating because I am in the D minus mode. I go back plus 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 plus, this is the normal D mode. If I again go to the, if I again press the paddle shifter plus, this goes to D plus, that is I get more boost from the battery. That's how it works. Another interesting feature is also the preset driving mode. The drive mode, as in a normal engine car, even the electric cars have the preset drive modes. You get individual, sport, comfort, and eco. We are in the eco mode now. That's how you go to comfort mode, simple toggle, sport, and individual. What it does is that it varies the power output coming to the wheels from the battery through the motor.
The seats on the EQC carry the quintessential Mercedes comfort and rich feel. The seating is spacious and comfortable. The rear seats have good support and come with 3 headrests and also a foldable armrest. The cabin feels amplified by the Bremster audio system like in all Mercedes.
You get this very catchy, very intuitive all color display, which is your instrument cluster. You have those various features over here. You also can change the display style. We are in the classic mode now. This is the sport mode, and you also have the progressive style, the theme of the display. Going back, you have the telephone connectivity, media, radio, your navigation. Everything is shown out here. It's a very well thought of and very helpful, very comfortable to use, easy to use. You get a very well laid out infotainment system using the Mercedes Me, powered by Mercedes Me. You have the navigation, you have the EQ settings, which reads out the charging options. This is the various detailed charging options. You have the consumption of your last drive, your current drive, your energy flow. We have spoken about it. Your battery condition, the battery charge. This is the vehicle setting. You have the owner's manual also in here. Radio, media. Now in comfort, this is a very interesting feature function. You have the massage setting over here for the driver and the passenger. You can choose the massage type also. Seat comfort, electric lumbar support, side blasters, ambient lighting, change the color, what effect you want, what settings you want. This is again an interesting feature. You have something called as the energizing comfort. You have an inbuilt system, inbuilt display, pre-recording, which will plays out this different themes, different light settings, different what do you call graphics along with music. So after a long day, long tiring day, this is how you can relax.
The EQC becomes India's first premium electric car model. It has all the traits that you expect from a Mercedes-Benz and more. Mercedes-Benz plans to introduce 10 more car models to its lineup by the year 2022. By the year 2030, Mercedes-Benz says that it would be having 50% of its sales from plug-in hybrids and electric cars. This is just the beginning.